In its constant quest to lower its operating costs, the City of Midland is turning on the green light by taking advantage of federal grant dollars that create more environmentally friendly operations and shave some dollars off the bottom line at the same time. We'll start off here at the Midland Civic Arena, which is one of the city's 3 highest energy consuming facilities. Utilities Director Noel Bush is heading up the city's green initiatives by looking at energy consumptions at all our city facilities. Can you tell us about that program?
Well, the program has 3 parts to it. The first is the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, and that's just under $200,000 a year grant that will allow us to perform building audits, energy audits on all of our buildings, identify those areas that we can make great savings in, and then we can invest the balance of those funds in cutting our energy costs on an annual basis and save the taxpayers money. By example, here at the ICE Arena or Civic Center, we're looking at the compressors and how we can reduce the energy consumption on those, which is significant. We're also looking at heating and ventilation so that it's warm out here in the lobby and it's cold in there on the ice. And we're even looking at the pop machines. The vending machines all have lighted fronts. Those consume roughly $60 of electricity per machine a year. In addition, if we put them on timers, we can save another $100 per machine, $160, start counting the vending machines.
The combined energy bill for all major city facilities is about $2 million annually. The energy audits hope to reduce that bill by more than 30% over the next 3 years. That's $600,000. Noel, the water and the wastewater treatment plants are the other top energy consuming facilities for the city, and you and the landfill are kind of looking at a 1-2 punch for the environment and cost savings. What are you doing out there with that project?
Well, this project's been going on for better than a year. It's called the Gas to Energy Project. And essentially what we're going to do is capture the methane at the landfill, or landfill gases, and that includes odors. And we're going to capture that before it can reach the atmosphere, treat it, and then pipe that to the water and wastewater plants where it will be burned in a generating facility using 20-cylinder diesel engines, and that'll produce electricity for both the water and wastewater plant. Now they consume somewhere between $800,000 and $900,000 a year worth of electricity, and we hope to supplement that with our own energy at about half that cost.
Noel, there's a third component to this project, which includes the city's participation in the state's Green Communities Challenge. What's that going to benefit the city?
That's a documentation of all of these projects, plus other projects that we've been involved in, to demonstrate that we are using energy very efficiently and we're conserving. And this will be an ongoing project that may require policy changes in how we deliver services in order to do it in a most cost-efficient manner.
Thanks, Noel. From little things like looking at the efficiencies of lighting fixtures used in city facilities, to composting the fall leaves we collect and reusing them in city flower beds, to the very big Gas to Energy project, C15 will keep you up to speed on how the Going Green initiatives are making a difference in your community.